Hi my friends, I hope you're doing good and that you're motivated to make some money today. So in this video, I want to show you how you can make PayPal money fast and easily in 2021. Here are some payment proofs. Now how much can you actually earn using this method? Well, for just doing one PayPal project, you will get $50. And imagine you do 5 projects per day, that would make you $250 in one day. That's 7,500 US dollars every single month, you guys. That's absolutely huge, right? And it's very easy, 100% free, works worldwide, and it needs no skill at all. And I want you to keep watching this video till the end because I will be showing you how to make 3 times more money on PayPal than usual. Also, if you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel Wow Money. We post pure valuable content consistently every single week to help you make money online and become 100% financially free from home. And turn on the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Also, if you want to learn how you can make up to $500 every single day, you might want to check our website wowmoney.net, where you can find more details and information about all the money-making secrets tips on the internet. So, let's get started with this video. First of all, I want you to go to this website, which is respondent.io. Now, this is going to be the website that you will be using in order to earn PayPal money fast and easily. I will show you 2 methods in this video, so make sure to watch until the end. So, for example, you come out to this website, respondent.io. I want you to go ahead and click on this Get Started button right here. So, once you click on that button, first, we want to make sure that you are on the right place, alright? Do you want to sign up as a researcher or as a research participant? Now, very important, I want you to go and click on this. I'm a research participant because I want you to get paid to participate in doing the research, not do the research yourself. You are just going to join projects on the Respondent website and you will get paid for it. So I want you to click on this right here and just go ahead and click on this sign up as a participant. So as you can see, you can sign up using your social media account. You can use Facebook, you can use LinkedIn or anything, or you can just use your email address right here and just click on sign up, and that's all you have to do. It's a very simple sign up process, right? But make sure you go out and check your email inbox in order to verify your account and activate your sign up. So very important, once you log in into your account and you go to your dashboard, you're able to browse different projects to earn money. You can see here there are a lot of projects right here. Now when I scroll down, you can see there are literally hundreds and hundreds of projects that you can join and you will earn money from them. These projects are posted literally every single day. In this website, the projects are very active. There are a lot of new projects that you can join every single day and earn PayPal money fast and easily in 2021. Now, when you scroll down, you can literally just click on Load More button and you can see that they're loading hundreds and hundreds of new projects that you will be able to earn money from. Now, I want to give you some first tips on this website. Again, make sure to keep watching all the way till the end because I will show you a passive income method that will make you money without even doing anything yourself. But first, let me show you this first step. So you guys can see the different categories of projects you can join. Number 1, software developer. Number 2, marketers, executive sales, a support business owner, etc. There are basically 6 categories of projects that you can earn on this website in order to make money on different projects. And as you can see, you will be paid different amount of money on each project. You can earn $150, $200, $500, $700 even per project. Now the 2 main categories that I want you to work on is executive, because on this category you can earn extra money per hour, and business owners. Because the business owner category, you can earn from them $500 extra money per hour. So very important, this is the first tip I want to share with you. Make sure to join on business owners and executive right now. The second tip that I want to give you once you log in into your account is to select different filters on your project. Now first, I want you to click on remote. It's very important because as you can see, all the projects will not ask you always to work remotely, right? Some of them will ask you to be physically present to do the project, maybe to interview you, maybe to help in this project, etc. But since we want to work from home, we want to work from our computer, it's very important to choose remote. Now, the next thing that you can do on this website, as you can see here, just select by compensation range. So for example, you can select from $5 to $1,000, and that will show you only the project that will be ranging from $5 to $1,000. So I want you to just filter out the compensation range to $200 up to $1,000. So that way the only project you will be joining will pay you at least $200 per hour. And here you can see the estimated time to complete a project. For example, 160 minutes, 240 minutes, etc. And you will get paid for these minutes. And again, you can do the time right here in this section, and you can change the time. Other project you can do, for example, just 30 minutes, 60 minutes of project, and you will get paid for them. So right now, as I promised you, I'm going to show you a second method that will make you even more money on the Respondent website. And this one you will earn it from doing nothing, absolutely nothing. Now you can get paid to refer your friends and colleagues to this paid research study, meaning that you don't need to join the project yourself. You will just refer your friends and earn money. As you can see here, you can sign up and refer your friends. Now all you can do is go ahead and share your referral link to other people. Share them on social media, on Facebook, LinkedIn, share them per email if you want, etc. Now right now, I want you to keep watching because at the end of this video, I will share you a place that you can share this referral link and get a lot of PayPal money online. So as you can see here, on average, a referral bonus is $50 and paid to you by PayPal. Every single friend that you will refer, you will be earning from him $50. Again, this is a lot of PayPal money, right? But imagine you just referred 10 people. You will earn $500 without even doing anything yourself. It's a very good passive income stream, right? So the next thing I want you to do is just go to the webmasterson.com. It's a forum about making money online. Now, there are not a lot of people that know about this forum, and I just want to share this with you because I think that this could help you to earn way more PayPal money online. So once you come over to this forum, you can see there are a lot of people that are posting new forums here. And you can answer to posts or create a new post as well, and you can get a lot of clicks and a lot of views on this forum. And a lot of people are going to click on your referral link, and when they sign up, you will get paid $50 PayPal money for every single referral. So as you can see, there are a lot of people that are posting in this website right here. It's very simple. Just post and then sit back and make money. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Wow Money. We help you make money online and quit your 9-to-5 job and make a full-time income from the comfort of your house. Also, check our website, wowmoney.net. It's in the description box. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.